In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view member roles in your Trello workspace. Managing roles within your Trello workspace is an essential skill for keeping your team organized and ensuring the right people have the right permissions. Whether you're a team lead, an administrator, or just someone looking to understand who's who in your workspace, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process in a clear and simple way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to view and adjust member roles in Trello with confidence. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to www.trello.com. Once you're on the Trello homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. Now, you'll need to log into your account. Enter your email address into the provided field, or if you prefer, you can choose one of the single sign-on options like signing in with your Google or Microsoft account. If prompted, enter your password and then click Login to access your Trello dashboard. After logging in, you'll land on your Trello dashboard. From here, locate the Workspace selector, which is typically found in the left-hand sidebar. On some layouts, you might also find it at the top of the page. Click on the name of the workspace that you want to manage. Once you've selected the workspace, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the Members option. This will take you to the Members area, where you'll see a list of everyone who is part of your workspace. In the Members section, you'll notice each person's name or avatar displayed alongside a role label. These role labels indicate whether someone is a normal member or an admin within the workspace. Take a moment to review this list to familiarize yourself with the roles assigned to each individual. If you need to adjust someone's role, simply click on the role label next to their name. Keep in mind, you'll only be able to view or change roles if you have admin permissions within the workspace. After clicking on the role label, you'll see options to switch their role between normal and admin. Make your selection based on what's needed for that particular member. And remember that every workspace must always have at least one admin. It's a good practice to ensure there's enough admin coverage in case of future updates or changes. For larger teams, you might want to scan or use the search function to quickly verify who currently holds admin status. This can save time and make the process more efficient when managing a big group. And that's it. You now know how to view and adjust member roles in your Trello workspace. Following these steps ensures your workspace remains secure, well-organized, and tailored to your team's needs. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.